Okay, today I wanted to show you how to make one of these. A really easy, quick way. Right, I used to make, or I made quite a few of these when I first started, and it was a really time consuming, slow process because you may have seen it. You put all the different colors in different squeezy bottles and then do sort of little puddle after puddle after puddle after puddle after puddle, too many to count, and then you do the lines. But last week I accidentally discovered a really quick and easy way to do that. So I thought I'd do more or less a tutorial on how to make this. So what you will need is, well, your paints first of all, of course. As my base, I'm using some Amsterdam oxide black. They're all Amsterdam gold. This one is Van Dyke brown, and then I have a carmine. Right, so I'll put the recipes in the description, but do bear in mind that your recipe will vary depending on your environment, how humid or warm it is, the paints and the pouring medium you use. So the really important thing is that, well, I like to use fairly thick paint. I like the way it holds itself. But the important thing is to make sure all your paints are the same consistency. So do a drip test, make sure they're all about the same consistency. So yeah, you need a split cup. I have a 3-way split cup for my three paints. And then you'll need a spinner. I like this. I think it was sold as a potter's wheel, but I find as long as it's got bearings and it moves really nice and smooth, it's really good. A skewer, grab one of those, and this one's, let me put that down, pretty important. Grab yourself a syringe. That's to make the center nice once you've done the business with the skewer. Right, so here we go. I'm just gonna lay down a puddle of the base paint. Right, and now instead of having to do tons and tons and millions of little puddles, you grab your split cup and just start doing a pour in the center with that, and just keep turning, just slowly turning. Okay, and this isn't doing the effect I had last time. That's funny. This is making me laugh. Let me show you a really quick and easy way of doing this, and it's not doing what I want at all. And I wonder why. Something to do with the speed of the pouring and the turning and all the rest of it. Oh well, it's no problem because we'll come up with something in the end, I'm sure. And as you can see, I have an absolute ton of paint there. A lot of it is falling off already. But these are leftover paints from last week, so I'm not worried. And I think I'll do the thing with a skewer anyway, just to see what happens. What if I did a straight pour right there and just kept this thing moving? Let's see the effects in the middle there. Yeah, it's not quite as nice. I'm getting a more of a feathered look when you do the spirally thing. You can probably hear my dog in the background. He's having fun with one of his Christmas toys. It's making me laugh. Sounds more like a little piggy, I think. I do like this spiral effect. So I am gonna go with that flower sort of effect anyway. And ignore what I said in the beginning. Let me show you. Oh my goodness. Let me show you a really nice and easy way of doing that. Okay, I need to figure out how I did that last time. I think it was one of those, oh, this split cup pour is going really rubbish and I'm just gonna wreck it with a skewer. And something fantastic happened, but isn't that so often the case with this art form? It's untrue. It really is. I think I'm done here. Hardly any paint left in the cup there now. So let's just rescue that out of the way. It's kind of psychedelic looking, that's for sure, but not what I was going for. But let's see what we come up with. I'm just going to torch some of the bubbles off just there, and saying this out loud, just to remind myself to cover the corners with my black before I start spinning, because I don't want it to distort the design that I didn't get. Oh dear. Oh good grief, it's not going as planned. Never mind. There we go. Right, just gonna spread the paint in the corners there. They always give me grief, these corners. This is in the series of when you think you know what you're doing and then you really don't know what you're doing. Oh dear. But yeah, you're gonna laugh at that, because otherwise this art form becomes just way too frustrating for anybody's liking. But I'm glad to say that the three colours are actually showing a lot nicer than they were the last time. I'm just gonna move the centre to the centre. Right, let's see what we can do with this skewer business then. So what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Do I want to do anything, or do I just want to spin it out? Nah, let's go for it. That way, let's go this way. And I want to do sort of like a bold thingy. It's very wait, which way did I go? To the left. Almost like I can't concentrate today. And then like so. Right, what I'll probably do is speed up the video a little bit here now, and I'll speak to you in a bit once I'm done with messing about with this. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. This is so weird. This art form is just so full of surprises, I can't get over it. Because this is actually now looking like a flower, and I really thought I'd messed it up completely. But let's push on. I think I can, there's a lot of paint here, so I think I can spin it out so that these really large bands of single color disappear. So I'm gonna grab my syringe and just get rid of the excess paint in the middle that's been sort of skewered right there. And I might tidy it up a little more with a sort of a gold middle, I think. There we go. And that looks nice now. God, I love this. Okay, let's have a spin. Whoa, there's a lot of paint there. Okay, and yeah, because I forgot to explain something, because the sort of the lines, I've made them bow that direction, I'm only gonna spin in that direction to, if not accentuate the effects, at least make sure the lines don't start sort of curving in every old direction. Yeah, there's a lot of paint here, so just have to accept that there's going to be a fair bit of waste here. I think I'm going to give it just one more careful spin. Oh, how did that turn looking that good? I can't get over it. Yep, I'm done. Oh, I can't believe it. God, I'm so glad I pushed through with that. You know, I was going to stop recording and call myself a dumb bleep, but I'm glad I didn't. I'm really glad I didn't. Yeah. What can you say? Art form that is so full of surprises, you just don't even quite understand it sometimes. I can't stop laughing, that's just too funny. Okay, what I'm gonna do is compose myself, I think, and just grab a little bit of the, I've got a tiny bit of the gold left there in the split cup, and I hope I don't mess it up right now. And just drip some right there in the middle. There we go. That looks lovely, I think. But most of all, I'd love to hear what you think. And how much of a disaster did you think this was gonna be? Oh, good grief. Just gonna give it a little tiny, my hand is wanting to shake. So I'm in a really bad position. I'm actually hunched over this, whatever trough this is called. And the more you concentrate, the more you shake. There we go. No, that's not good. There we go. I think I'm going to leave that. I really don't want to go touch it anymore. God, where did that hand shaking come from? That's crazy. Right, there's a lot of paint wasted, but that's okay. That was just the leftovers in a split cup, and I'm sure you can do this in a much tidier fashion. But I do like the effects. That is one seriously trippy looking flower, I think. I'm really tempted to go mess with the middle a little bit more, but I don't know if my hand can take it right now. Having a cold and doing this is probably not a good combo. No, I'm not touching it. Not touching it anymore. Right, I'm just gonna grab the camera and show you what it looks like close up. And I want to show you, I can't think now. I keep thinking about that shaking hand. Yeah, I want to show you the gold as well with a flash, because there's quite a lovely metallic sheen just there. So let me just grab the camera and I'll show you. So here we go. I do really like that. What do you think? Please leave me a comment in in the comments section. Oh, good grief, I need to quit for the day. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And oh, look at that gold. Oh my goodness, that worked out so much better than I thought. There's perhaps a little bit too much red just here, but I really do not need to mess with this anymore after what I thought was going to be an absolute disaster. So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. And that's all from me. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.